Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexpeacearmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpeacearmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the cryptocurrencies, particularly on Bitcoin market. Today is a holiday in the United States, inauguration of Donald Trump, Martin Luther King Day. So mostly markets in the United States are closed for today's session. But 24/7 Bitcoin keep going. And here we have to discuss one very important moment. And first of all, on the monthly chart, you probably heard about all this hype that stands around Donald Trump talking and actually how it was treated by the cryptocurrencies in general. You can see the upward action across the board. So now even when Trump has earned approximately $50 billion on this token, his wife, Melania, also decided to make some money and introduce his own token, Melania. So probably it will start trading today. I'm not actually following this information, but if you're interested, you could keep an eye on. But guys, in general, this is big hype and mostly emotional performance, which can't last for a very long time. In fact, as I said yesterday in Telegram, this was very important and it's kind of the sign of the dollar devaluation. So actually, performance of the Donald Trump token just has shown that dollar actually costs nothing. So it's a really big day in the starting big process of the devaluation of the United States currency. And I think that actually echo of this token will last for a long time, and it might be really get unpredictable consequences. Meantime, on monthly chart, a market is challenging at the top. If you remember, we said that high wave range has really special meaning here, because if market would break it up and stay outside of this range, it keep going higher, should keep going higher, at least by the classic technical analysis. Next upside target will be around 127. As you can see, extension. This will be 1618. Extension is XOP with this all historical all-time ABCD pattern. But here we have one problem. Market is coming back to the extreme overbought area. And actually it stands right around it right now, which makes really complex and difficult for a market to proceed significantly higher. Since recent rally is mostly based on the pump and hype and Donald Trump inauguration and in general its recent events, is big chance that here we will not get any breakout and market could start turning down as soon as close to the end of this week, when some madness on the market will come down a bit, and that's after the inauguration of the Donald Trump settled. From that standpoint, we have to keep close eye on the possible double repo sell pattern on the weekly chart. The trading plan of the last week has worked just perfect. You can see we've got first grabber here. On last week we've got another grabber that we discussed on Thursday. We said if market will close slightly higher, we will get another grabber. So you can see on the May City, this was first grabber and the second one, and it's perfectly confirmed our trading plan, suggesting taking out of the top. Now this target has been completed. Both top grabbers have been completed. Market stands at the monthly overbought. From that standpoint of view, appearing of the double repo pattern on the weekly chart extremely high. So it might be within a couple of weeks collapse down, and if we will get close below the 3x3, the signal will be confirmed. But that is what might be in the future. But for now, you have to think about what you're gonna do with your long position, whether you will keep it or close, but anyway, at this point you have to make the decision, because this is really very important point right now, and risks for a possible, let's say, at least retracement. I wouldn't talk about possible sharp reversal here, but at least for retracement stands very high. although maybe from the technical point of view. On lower time frame, on the daily, you can see the target of the failure hand shorts also is done. Here we've got market jump up the top, so this minimum target is completed. And you can see that here market also stands at the daily every bot. If I would suggest some target where market could reach by some momentum to the upside, I would consider nearest extension of the head. So if you take a look at the 4-time frame chart, it stands around 113, 113.50. This is extension of the head. In the same way how we determine the target of the butterfly, but unfortunately here we can't call it as a butterfly because here we have lower lows to the potential wing of the butterfly, right? So supposedly if you consider this as a wing, this wing should stay inside of the range of the first wing, but here as you can see some outbreak to the downside. That's why we can't call it as a butterfly, but actually you could use just extensions without the butterfly shape. It also works fine. That's maybe by some momentum in today's Donald Trump euphoria and the speech that could follow the inauguration or some other events. It really might be some attempt for more pump around. So for today, you could sit on your hands and on your position and trying to maybe grab a bit more result here with this target. But in general, conclusion is follows. From the technical point of view, market stands at the point where the chances on the reversal are really very high. And it's actually, you have to make the decision on the position if you have it. I mean, long position. That and towards what we have on Bitcoin today, let's see what will happen.